Hello friends, my name is Saikat. I am from Kolkata, India. I am a professional website designer and a PPC expert. I am very happy to see you here on my YouTube channel. In this channel, what I do, I work with WordPress, which is a tool to make websites. I use Elementor, which helps me design beautiful website without coding. I also help small businesses grow using digital marketing. So in this channel, what I will show you, first, how to make a website from scratch to finish. Number 2, how to design a pages using Elementor. Number 3, how to make your website look good and work fast. Number 4, sometimes I will also share digital marketing tips. So if you want to learn something new or want to make your own website, then I will say this channel is for you. So why I started this channel? I started this channel for 3 reasons. First reason is to teach. I love to teach and what I know, and to learn. I also learn new things when I teach others. To grow, I want to get clients from other countries and help more people. I will also share my real experience, what I do every day and what problem I face. This will help you understand how real projects work. I want to build a friendly community here, a place where we can learn together, help each other and grow. You can ask me anything in my LinkedIn. You can reach out there. I will try my best to answer your question in the comments or LinkedIn. So I will give you a form. In this form, you can write your questions, share your ideas, or tell me what videos you want. This way, I can make videos that you really need. I will post new videos once or twice every week. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. And the end of this video, end of this message is thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn WordPress, website design or digital marketing, this channel is perfect for you. Please like, comment and subscribe. So see you in the next video. Thank you.